Arigato gozaimasu. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Thank you for the like, Pyungko. Thank you, Pyungko. Yeah. Now inside the car, on the way going home. On the way going home. This is wait. Okay, this is our outside. Outside. Then let's go to other side. Yeah, that's the hotel cafe. And then the beautiful houses. Okay. And some very high-end car. very high-end car. Yes, it's true. If you have no million, you cannot buy car, right? So, I don't have million, that's why very high-end car. Yo. Especially the pick-up Ranger or pick-up Ford Ranger. Oh, that's so expensive. Have you seen that one? Yeah, that one. That one, oh. It's on the right side, it is red, what? And then in the white. Okay. Nakaano ka na? Nakakuha ka na?
Takot na makaawat eh. Sa ilang balik.
Okay lang yun.
Nakaawaan ako. Hindi na ako ng sako.
Okay lang yun. Minsan-minsan, ganyan talaga. Oo. Pero tandaan mo, hindi lahat ng panahon. Mayroong ngayon ikaw, mayroong sila mamaya, mayroong God only knows.
Tiis-tiis lang po.
Yeah. Siyempre. Hi, Rick! Yeah, the very high-end pick-up. I like it. Very high-end. Because it is Ford. Yeah, we are going. Thank you so much. 9 million amazing people in the building, in our building. Okay, guys. No power. Ulok-ul. 12 million amazing people in the building.